Ethereum value equivalent to $1834 a coin. The present reach, $1,825. $1,835. The earlier day close, $1,828. The change was plus 0.33%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for August 2023. First and foremost cost at $1856. Greatest cost $1,948. Least cost $1,614. The normal for the month $1,789. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,736. Change for August 6.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. Before all else cost at $1736. Most extreme cost $1,909. Least cost $1,534. The normal for the month $1,707. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,649. Change for September 5.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at $1649. Most extreme cost $1,694. Least cost $1,472. The normal for the month $1,600. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,583. Change for October 4.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Before all else cost at $1583. Greatest cost $1,747. Least cost $1,519. The normal for the month $1,621. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,633. Change for November 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $1633. Greatest cost $1,751. Least cost $1,521. The normal for the month $1,635. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,636. Change for December 0.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. At the outset cost at $1636. Most extreme cost $1,797. Least cost $1,561. The normal for the month $1,668. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,679. Change for January 2.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $1679. Most extreme cost $2,044. Least cost $1,679. The normal for the month $1,828. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,910. Change for February 13.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $1910. Greatest cost $2,067. Least cost $1,797. The normal for the month $1,927. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,932. Change for spring 1.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $1932. Greatest cost $2,398. Least cost $1,932. The normal for the month $2,126. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,241. Change for April 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with cost at $2241. Greatest cost $2,241. Least cost $1,929. The normal for the month $2,121. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,074. Change for May 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $2074. Greatest cost $2,074. Least cost $1,620. The normal for the month $1,878. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,742. Change for June 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place cost at $1742. Greatest cost $2,162. Least cost $1,742. The normal for the month $1,917. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,021. Change for July 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at $2021. Greatest cost $2,021. Least cost $1,607. The normal for the month $1,844. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,728. Change for August 14.5%. USD to ETH swapping scale equivalent to 0.5453 Ethereums per $1,000. The present reach 0.5451 0.5480. The earlier days nearby 0.5472. Change for now 0.0019. 0.35%. United States dollars to ETH expectations for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.539 Ethereums. Greatest cost 0.620. Least 0.513. The normal for the month 0.562. The United States dollars to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.576. Change for August 6.9%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 0.576 Ethereums. Most extreme cost 0.652. Least 0.524. The normal for the month 0.590. The United States dollars to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.606. Change for September 5.2%. United States dollars to ETH expectations for October 2023. Initially cost at 0.606 Ethereums. Most extreme cost 0.679. Least 0.590. The normal for the month 0.627. The United States dollars to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.632. Change for October 4.3%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for November 2023. To start with cost at 0.632 Ethereums. Greatest cost 0.658. Least 0.572. The normal for the month 0.619. The United States dollars to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.612. Change for November 3.2%. United States dollars to ETH expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at 0.612 Ethereums. Most extreme cost 0.657. Least 0.571. The normal for the month 0.613. The United States dollars to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.611. Change for December 0.2%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at 0.611 Ethereums. Most extreme cost 0.641. Least 0.556. The normal for the month 0.601. The United States dollars to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.596. Change for January 2.5%. United States dollars to ETH expectations for February 2024. Initially cost at